big bugs have flown into Reed Park Zoo. We have about 30 colossal, larger than life, moving, sounding insects spaced throughout the zoo. Some of the bugs you'll see here are an enormous black widow spider. He is about 16 feet long, spinning a big web.
I think the spider, even though it's huge, is a good idea because it helps with kids who are typically fearless and, at young ages and grow up to fear things. And spiders, while there are some that are dangerous, they're not all dangerous and they're good for the environment.
Are basically pest control. They protect your home from a lot of other different bugs.
The bugs were created in consultation with entomologists, those are scientists that study bugs, and by a company called Dino-Don. And so that's why they all are so realistic and they have these wonderful movements.
His color is red, and that one is brown, and that one is just black.
And we also have honeybees, giant monarch butterflies, cicadas. There's a giant praying mantis that greets you as you first come in. He's about 17 feet long and about 10 feet tall.
All over the zoo, there are bugs.
If you're coming to see the bugs, we have some fun bug merchandise that's in our gift shop, including these edible crickets. Here goes, we're going to take the taste test. Breakfast of Champions.
They actually don't taste that bad.
It's only a chip, Actually tastes pretty good.
Cheers. Here, eat. Put it in your mouth. Is it good? Cody, is it good? You don't like it?
But it actually tastes not half bad for a first-time bug eater.
Yum. We hope everyone will come away learning a little bit more about the bugs that, often we fear or we overlook, but are really so amazing and so crucial to our world. Our world would look very different if we did not have insects.
So having these where you can get almost within touching distance is really nice. I think it's a more immersive experience at the zoo.
Every day at 11 o'clock back at our Conservation Learning Center, you can get up close to some of our live bugs that are here at the zoo, our ambassador bugs.
Can you see her? So this is Freya. She is an emperor scorpion. Have you seen the big bugs out there?
Yeah.
They're a lot bigger than her, huh?
We saw them laid at 2 dots.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Ladybugs are one of my favorites. They are really neat.
We hope that people come away seeing that even the smallest of animals are worth protecting, and they're amazing and they're essential. Big Bugs exhibit is free with your zoo admission, and if you're a member, it's absolutely free. You can come anytime and see them, and the bugs will be here through April 30th. We hope everyone will come out, make some pictures, have some quality time together, and learn a little bit about bugs and really how amazing and unique they really are.